Stop scrolling. Can you talk about your day in English without thinking too much?
If someone asks you, "How was your day?" Do you feel stuck?
Don't worry. Today, we'll help you speak natural, simple English about your daily life.
Welcome to the HC English Pod, where English is easy, practical, and real.
Hello, everyone. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. Thank you for listening to the HC English Pod.
Today's topic is very important for beginners. English in daily life. Talk about your day.
We talk about our day every single day, right?
Yes, at work, school, interviews, or even with friends online.
If you can talk about your daily routine, you can speak English confidently.
You'll learn common daily verbs, time expressions, simple sentence patterns.
And don't worry, we'll keep it slow and clear.
Let's listen to a short story from our friend Alex.
Listen carefully. You don't need to understand everything, just relax.
Hello, my name is Alex. I want to talk about my daily routine. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. on weekdays. I don't like waking up early, but I need to go to work. First, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I go to the kitchen and make a cup of tea. While the tea is hot, I check my phone for messages. After that, I get dressed. I wear simple clothes, jeans and a t-shirt. At 7:30 a.m., I eat breakfast. I usually eat eggs or toast. At 8 a.m., I leave my house. I go to work by bike. It takes about 20 minutes. At work, I check my emails and start my tasks. I work on my computer for most of the day. At 1 p.m., I have lunch. I eat with my coworkers and talk with them. I finish work at 5 p.m. After work, I go home and relax. In the evening, I make dinner and watch TV. Before bed, I read a little and go to sleep around 10:30 p.m. That's my normal day.
That was simple and clear, right?
Let's look at important verbs Alex used. Wake up, get dressed, go to work, have lunch, finish work, go to bed.
These are daily life English verbs you must know.
And time phrases. In the morning, at 8 a.m., in the evening, before bed.
Liam, how about you? What do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m., make coffee, and check my emails.
Very similar to me. I wake up, drink coffee, and get ready for work.
See, daily routines are very similar.
Now it's your turn.
Try this sentence. I wake up at, and I.
Pause this podcast and say it out loud.
Great job for practicing today.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to the HZ English Pod.
Like, share, and comment.
Tell us one thing you do every day.
See you next time. Keep practicing your English.